First, clean your phone screen with alcohol prep pad. Second, dry the phone screen with soft cloth. Third, stick the residual dust on the screen with dust absorber. Fourth, tear out the film marked 1 and place it on the screen. Use the square card to squeeze out big bubbles. This is the step to confirm the screen protector position on the phone. So if the cutout or edges don't fit, you can peel off the whole screen protector and do it again. Fifth, tear out half of the film marked 2. Then use the square card to scratch the air out from the bottom to the top and make the screen protector fit on the phone. Sixth, tear out half of the film marked 3 and then pull back 0.5 centimeters. Use the square card to scratch the air out from the bottom to the top. Make it fit on the phone, same as the previous step. Seventh, peel off the film on the top of the screen protector lightly. Eighth, press the edges with your thumb to make the screen protector stick on the screen edges. If there are some residual air in it, it will disappear in 24 hours.
Hey everyone, I'm Emily with Luvvitt and I am here today to show you Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Luvvitt Liquid Glass is a cutting-edge wipe-on screen protector that creates a super thin, invisible protective layer, increasing the screen's scratch and shatter resistance. It's also fingerprint and smudge resistant, while it doesn't affect the fingerprint sensors or the readers. Luvvitt Liquid Glass is universal and compatible with all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, smartwatches, and other gadgets with glass screens. It also works great with curved and foldable screens. Luvvitt Liquid Glass also comes with different options with or without screen protection guarantee. Screen protection may be included with $250, $350, $500, and $750 coverage levels based on your choice. Or you can select the no coverage option that comes in a white packaging, which still offers the same cutting-edge protection without the coverage. If you purchase the Luvvitt Liquid Glass with screen protection guarantee, once you apply it on your screen and register your device, if your screen cracks, you can file a claim, obtain authorization, then have your device repaired at your preferred repair shop. Once you're done, simply submit your receipt to be reimbursed for up to the coverage amount. How great is that? Luvvitt Liquid Glass package includes a cleaning wipe, a liquid glass coating wipe, and microfiber cloth. It also includes an instruction manual. If you have purchased the version with screen protection coverage, then you will also find an activation code on the back of the manual to register your device. First, clean the screen thoroughly with the cleaning wipe supplied in sachet 1 to make sure all dust, debris, and fingerprints are removed. Then allow it to air dry or use the microfiber cloth included in the package to dry it. Now apply the liquid glass coating wipe supplied in sachet 2 onto the screen in a circular motion. Make sure all edges are also covered with liquid glass. Set your device aside and allow the screen to cure for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. As the liquid glass dries, a white residue may become visible. After 10 minutes, use the microfiber cloth supplied to clean and buff out any excess residues from the screen and to give it an excellent shine. Your screen is now protected with Luvvitt Liquid Glass. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in our next video.